Yeah, time to go up the shop. 5:30. It's Saturday. Why am I not at the track? Yeah, you're gonna want to hear this one. Yes, it's Saturday. Yes, I'm still here. I did not go up to Mocan this weekend. I bet you're asking, why did I not go to Mocan? It's not because of tires. You see I got 2 spares here, right? Okay. You got 2 new tires on the front. It's not the trailer. Car's in the trailer, all ready to go. Oh, lights. Oh, it's not turned on. But car's in here. It's all ready to go. What can it be? Well, one thing it could be is me. Yep. That's the reason I'm not going to Mocan this weekend. This is going to be funny. For some people, it's not funny to me, but it is funny overall. I mean, you just got to laugh. If you watch my video from last week where I didn't make it Mocan, here's a link up there, or up here. We had problems getting up to Mocan, right? You seen all the tire issues and all that. We couldn't race because of that. Well, we got all this fixed. Something happened here a little over a week ago when I was at work. Okay, this is where it's going to get really funny. It's kind of embarrassing, but hey, I'm going to try to be transparent as much as I can. I broke a rib. Okay, it's down here, kind of lower side of me, but I broke a rib. And how I broke it, you're not going to believe on this one. I can't believe I'm actually going to say this. I broke it by sneezing. I know. That's really funny. But seriously, when I sneezed so hard that I actually compressed my rib or something like that, and I actually broke it. I didn't think I did. Went to the doctor, urgent care. They took an x-ray, and sure enough, the rib is actually, it's not broken completely. It's actually fractured. But boy, did it hurt. So, that's why I'm not racing this weekend. I did not want to take a chance of injure my rib again, because I have to get in and out of the car, doing a lot of stretching on this left side, especially get the car in and out of the trailer. I have to crawl through the window, so that makes it a little bit more tougher. So I'm not racing this weekend. Then the following weekend is Labor Day. I'm sitting that one out as well. I just try and let this thing heal as much as possible, because we got Eddyville coming up. And I want to make sure I'm as healed as I can be before we go to Eddyville. So, yeah, no racing this weekend, today, in fact. We got a race in Eddyville in a couple weeks after Labor Day. So, anyway, yeah, I'm not racing. I am bummed about it. What can I say? It's just, this year has not been too kind to me. Haven't raced that many races up in Mocan. Kind of feel kind of bad about that. But there's some things that's just totally out of my control sometimes, and I just can't, you know. We try to get there and we can't. So anyway, but rest assured, I am going to Eddyville. I am registered for 2 classes up there, top and mod. So definitely I will be in Eddyville. No doubt about it. We are going. There's nothing going to stop us on that one. So over the next few weeks, we can get everything ready to go to Eddyville. And, but yeah. Broken rib. So, basically in this video, last week, me and Pops, we changed out the wheels on the trailer and went to the tire shop. He did the majority of the lifting. I hardly lifted anything. I just moved back and forth the truck. We built a ramp so we can change the tires out easier. He did most of the lifting. Felt kind of bad, but he did help out to get everything ready. And I basically was there to support him. So I'm trying to save my rib, keep it healed. Been swimming a lot. Hopefully that's been helping out. But yeah, I've been trying to take it easy. So in this video, basically, we just got the new tires on. I'll show you some shots from that. So with that, let's go ahead and get on with this video and see where it leads us. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, as everybody know, with our flat tire situation, the blowout, I mean, you can see the rubber on it. We got 2 tires already at Hibden. We're going to pick them up here in a few minutes. But we are redoing our ramp system. So we are actually improving it. Because what we used before, these are the ramps that we use for our golf cart. And we actually stacked those up to get the height we needed. And when we get ready to change these tires, I'll show you, maybe in the video that I posted. You've probably seen these ramps underneath, but we're gonna make new ramps for the golf cart where we tore these up pretty good. So those are my old ones. So this is 2x6 stuff. What's over there is 2x8, so it should be a lot better. So anyway, but we are making a dedicated ramp just to change these tires. Not saying that we are going to have flats on the way, but if we do, we can make it a lot easier with a ramp like that. So anyway, oh yeah, gonna cut that off. But yeah, we're gonna make these things 4 high. And that should be high enough for us to do what we need. 6 inches of height. Oh my gosh, I think that's what we had before. So okay, back to it. Once we get done with the finished product, I'll let you know. Okay, now we're gonna mock it up here. Okay, yep. Got that section there. Let me kind of zoom out a little bit. Got that one. And got that one. Okay. Space the tire will roll up here. The bottom of the tire, and it rolls sitting on this pad here. That's around 8 inches, a little over 8 inches across. So anyway, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Should make changing those tires easier. Not saying that we are actually going to have more flats. but if we do, we'll use it. We definitely use this when we get ready to change those tires off and see this in action. Maybe someday I get bored, I'll paint this to make it look like wood. But I think it came out pretty good. Yeah? Okay, anyway. Yep. There you go, till we get the tires. Okay. There we go. All you do is pull this guy up, and this one here will go off the ground. So, yeah, that should work. Looks pretty nice. It's wide enough too. That's 8 inches wide, so this should be more than enough to get this thing off the ground. So, pretty cool stuff, huh? Next thing you can do is see us really doing it, and then we'll show you how that works. Will it work? We don't know. Where you at? Let's get over here. So we're gonna back up on this one. So we're gonna back up.
Yeah, we'll back up, take the front one off.
Okay.
Put the new one on there. All right.
Yeah. Well, grab the.
And then we'll do the everything on the other side. And we'll go ahead and move the front one to the back. The new one on the front, and that side will be done.
Yep. I agree. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's see how this works. This is looks like a good heavy-duty block there. Okay, it's going to go just like that. And what you're going to see is us roll up on it. Hey, it's off the ground. And this is with the car actually still in the trailer. So there's still quite a bit of weight sitting in this trailer. If the trailer was empty, I don't think we had to go up as high because the spring won't be down as much. But since the car is actually in there, just kind of simulate what would happen for going down the road. So anyway, that's good news. So I think it's going to work out. And really, that tire is really good placement on that block. I don't see it's going anywhere. It's not putting that tire in under any type of stress, anything, stuff like that. It's got a lot of pressure on it, I get it, but it's just gonna be short term. So until we get the tire change. Okay, got the tire off. Check. Car got left on the side of the road.
No.
I don't think so. Just like that. Got the new tire on it. Okay, got our pressure monitor that's on it. That's what these things look like. You do have to make sure you have a steel valve stem on these things. So we already get this thing off the trailer or down off the ramp, and we'll get the other side done. Okay, as you can see, got 2 extra tires on the trailer. Got 4 tires. Yeah, that's no. We still got to take off the left rear and that right rear. That's right, right rear. This is what's going to go in the right rear. It's a newer tire. That one's going to be a spare, but I can't put this on the trailer yet because it has a plug on it. What the tire place said is they will not patch it if there's a plug in there. They said if you knock the plug out, they'll be able to patch it. That's what they said. So what we're going to do is go ahead and probably let the air out of this. They're going to either try to pull it out or just push the plug in, and so they can patch it. So they'll be patching from the inside out. So anyway, still got to get that done. Then we'll get that up to the tire shop and have them put a proper plug or a proper patch on it. There we go. So anyway, got to get that done. Then we'll be ready to go down the road, and we'll have 2 good spares. That's what we need now. Hope I didn't a whole set of them. So anyway, okay, this side is done. So new tires on both front. Pretty cool, huh? So got some other stuff that to do around the property. Got this wood you have to move around. So anyway, got no, don't even ask about those spools. Lots of stuff going on around here. Well, I hope you liked that video. Like I said, it's kind of short, but it showed what we did to get the the trailer ready to go. But if you do like what you see, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, share the video, do whatever you have to. But let's go ahead and keep this channel growing. Man, I can't wait. We're getting close to that 1,000 mark. If we can just keep pushing it the rest of this year, I think we'll get there. But anyway, with that, until next time, take care.